Friends, my name is Harish Nair. I am senior president in S Bank. I have been suffering from the sleep apnea for the past 13 years, and I have lost, the vision of the quarter one of my left eye. My judgmental of the driving and everything was getting affected, and there was, the near-death experiences multiple times. And while I was driving back 2 weeks back from uh, to Vikroli from Powai, I stepped in the road and the vehicle has jumped at the signal, and it was going to hit the metro line. And then I thought that this is end of the life and I have to get my surgery done. And fortunately or unfortunately, nobody was knowing about the sleep apnea and the correlation between the eyesight loss. I went to Godrej Clinic, and there is a doctor called Dr. Ramanathan Iyer who has published a paper on the sleep apnea and the loss of vision. And he was doing the Dr. Agarwal Saab, and he referred me for the whatever the surgical procedures in the Middle East and all other countries. What they are doing is they will do the surgery of the nose, throat, and all these the complex surgeries, and they will put you under the ventilator. They will put a tube on your neck, and you have to take the water or whatever through the neck. And the fear is that once you go to this type of surgery, there is you are out from the office for so many days, and you will not be able to join back and everything. But fortunately enough, I came here on a Saturday night at the 11 o'clock, and the doctor saab ne bolte hai ki Monday morning aa jao, we do the surgery. And just like the double engine, he has even got the another anesthetist ready for me. And the anesthetist here was talking to me, and I didn't know when I went to the deep sleep, and when I woke up I was back in my room. So that is the God sent person, the efficiency of his hands. And I trust the doctor saab like anything. Just like he has saved and they cured me from the worst headache for the last 40 years, and I get irritated all the time. I need this awareness to be created across the world that sleep apnea is not goda बेच के आके घर में sleep कर रहा है. It is something. It is a problem. It can lead to the stroke. It can lead to the heart attack, and it can lead to the memory loss. I am not making an exaggerated story. You will not believe. 6 months back, I don't even know the bun maska ki bun water karne ke. I know that it is bun and the butter, and then writing a letter to RBI, it is just like hell of a time. I was not able to see properly, and I was not able to think coherently, and writing was gone. Now I'm writing like a pro, because my memory was photographic and I was do that. So if I can recover and I'm enjoying the life, please, if I've got some symptoms, go to your sleep specialist and go to your END guy and get yourself cured. The life is there, and you have to chill it out. Thank you. Good evening.